I'm Ty Pennington, the host of Rock the Block. I've also been on just about every DIY television show ever created. Anyway, I'm so glad I'm here because I'm gonna be asked some questions, and if I don't want to answer them, I'm gonna drink some tea. Chances are I'm gonna drink that entire pitcher. Okay, first question is, which HGTV talent would you trust to design your own house? Wow. That's pretty simple. I wouldn't trust anyone. The beauty is in the beholder. And I think if I'm going to be beholding my own home, I'd like to add the beauty myself. Okay, next question. Whose house was your least favorite on season 2 of Rock the Block? I mean, why? This is such a horrible question. I can't answer that because these people will hunt me down on IG and just say horrible things to me. But you know what? I'm used to it. This is a great question. Who is consistently late to set? Answer, me. If you were to compete on Rock the Block and could handpick your partner, who would it be? I would make it my mom because it would be hilarious and we'd have to have so many bathroom breaks. Okay, next question. This was a good one. Who's been the biggest diva on set of Rock the Block so far? Wow. Let's see. I've worked with... I've worked with... Let's see. You're welcome. Why am I drinking? I don't know. Maybe because I shouldn't have answered that. This is fun, isn't it? Who is the worst person to approach on set before they've had their coffee? Without a doubt, Alice and Victoria. If you had to choose between the Property Brothers, would you choose Jonathan or Drew? Wow, what a crazy choice that is. Just like the twins I'm working with currently on Rock the Block, I can't pick just one. I want one to start the sentence and I want the other to finish it. It's like bookends. So I would say I prefer them both at once. Who is the most famous contact in your phone? Wow. I'm gonna just drink heavily on that. How often do you watch HGTV at home? Oh my God. So here's a perfect Friday night for me. I cook a small dinner, open a nice bottle of wine, and that's when I put on HGTV in the bedroom. Hoping for that one brief moment that I hear a promo with my voice in it to really make that night special. It brings it to a whole new level. Is there a show or a movie people would be surprised you auditioned for? Well, yes, I would imagine they would be. I was asked to be on The Bachelor season 1 a long time ago, and I said no. Who is the meanest HGTV star you've worked with? Oh, wow, that is, I'm just gonna drink on that one. This is a great question, and I've answered a lot of questions, but this one is important. Who had the worst outfit on the last season of Rock the Block? Well, this is a tough one, because they all wore the same thing for almost 45 days. That being said, I cannot remember what anyone was wearing.